Dear student, our class 11, 12, 13 English medium student. Now today we are going to study about exercise 6.3 tangents and normals. Okay? आपको मालूम है लास्ट प्रीवियस क्लास में भी टेंजेंट एंड नॉर्मल्स है ना, बहुत बार आप चले हैं, लेकिन क्लास 12 जो कोर्स में एप्लीकेशन ऑफ हाउ यू कैन यूज डिवाइड बाय इन डिफरेंट टाइप्स इन डिफरेंट फॉर्म. ओके, तो सो डिवाइड व्हाट इज द व्हाट इज द ग्रेडियंट, व्हाट इज द स्लोप ऑफ ग्रेडियंट ऑफ एनी. तो अपन देखो लास्ट ईयर पॉइंट अगर कोई लाइन है, अगर एंगल सपोज दैट एंगल बना रहा है तो देयर ग्रेडियंट विल बी इक्वल टू थीटा. बट व्हाट इज द स्लोप ऑफ ए कर्व, व्हाट इज द स्लोप ऑफ ए ग्रेडियंट. So the slope of curve is defined by n is equal to tan theta is equal to dy by dx at a point x1 and y. Now here taking a curve. Now you are taking a curve such that AP is the tangent line. AP is the tangent line and P is the point of contact. So AP makes an angle theta from its axis. Therefore, the slope of this curve is defined by y n is equal to tan theta is equal to dy by dx at this point. So slope of the curve is defined by n is equal to tan theta of dy by dx. This is first properties and second. Now what is the equation of tangent line? So you have this line. We have to find the equation of this line A. So equation of tangent. So equation of tangent line AB is y minus y1 is equal to x into x minus 1. क्यों लास्ट ईयर पढ़ो ना, लास्ट ईयर है ना, सपोज दैट अगर कोई भी लाइन किसी सिंगल पॉइंट से पास हो रहा है, ओके, और इतना एंगल काउंट कर रहा है, सो इक्वेशन ऑफ दिस लाइन व्हिच इज पासिंग थ्रू ए गिवन सिंगल वन पॉइंट x1 y1 इज गिवन बाय y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. So by using this formula, है ना, we have y plus y1 is equal to m into, but what is the value of m, what value is the gradient of this tangent line. So m is this, so putting the value of m, y minus y1 dy by dx, है ना, into x1 y1 and x1. So this is the equation of the tangent line AB. Okay, now since a line NP is perpendicular to tangent line, so NP is called the normals. NP is called the normals. So if the slope of this line and radius is m, so let slope of normal is 1. So now in properties side we have find equation of normals. So we have find equation of normals. Equation of normals. And is given by y minus y1 is equal to m1 into x minus x1, because the slope of normal is m1. But we know that if the two lines are perpendicular, here NP and AP are perpendicular, so their gradient, the product of their gradient will be minus 1. Therefore m1 is equal to minus 1. So putting the values of m1 is equal to minus 1 upon n, then y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 upon So y minus y1 is equal to 1 upon m. M is equal to क्या है? d1 by dx at x1 y1 or x1. So this is the equation of normal of these two lines. This is the equation of normal of the line. Okay. So this is the properties that these are the most important properties of tangent normals. Now in properties property number 2. So now in property 4, if theta is equal to 0 means the tangent is parallel to axis. Theta is equal to 0 means the tangent line is parallel to x-axis. Then this implies that m is equal to tan theta means tan 0 is equal to 0 means slope of this curve dy by dx at x1 y1 which is also equal to 0. If the line is parallel to this, then there is no angle between this line and x-axis. So the equation of tangent line is y minus y1 is equal to f x minus x1. Here m is equal to 0, so y minus y1 is equal to 0 into x minus x1. So y minus y1 is equal to 0 means y is equal to 1. Y equal to y means the line is parallel to x-axis. So this distance is y equal to 1 at the distance of y equal to y. So this is the properties for if the angle is 0, then the line will be parallel to this. Now in very most important properties, property number 5. Property number 5 है if theta is equal to 90 degree, then the line will be parallel to y-axis. If theta is equal to 90, then m is equal to tan 90 is equal to 50 degree. So equation of tangent y minus y1 m x minus x1. Y minus y m is equal to 1 by 0 into x minus x1. So by cross multiplication x minus x1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2. So if theta is equal to 90 degree, then the line will be parallel to y-axis. Means y-axis at the distance of x is equal to x1. This is the distance. So this is all these are 5 properties are tangent and normals. All the questions are depends upon these properties. So now we can take some questions in exercise 6.3. So now question number first. You have to solve all the examples by these fundamentals because maximum questions are depends upon your examples. Question number 3, exercise 6.3. Question number 1. Find the slope of the tangent. Find the slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to 3x4 minus 4x at x0. So this is first question. So you have to find slope of the tangent means you have to find the value of x. Okay, so solution is this. Since you are given 3x raised to 4 minus 4x, so find g by dx. Differentiation of y 3x raised to 4 minus differentiation of 4x is will be equal to 2 3 12 x cube minus 4. But you have to find the slope of this tangent of this is denoted by x. But you have to find the value of this tangent dy by dx at x is equal to 4. So now putting x is equal to 4. So we have m is equal to dy by dx at x is equal to 4 is equal to 12 into 4 cube minus 4. 12 into 64 minus 4 is equal to 12 to the 768 minus 2 is equal to 762. So this is your answer. So question number first is this. Now in question number third. Question number third. Find the slope of the tangent. Tangent to the curve y equal to x cube minus x plus 1 at the point where whose x coordinate is 2. Solution. Find the slope of the tangent to the curve y equal to x cube minus 1 at the point whose x coordinate is 2. This is the this question is same as the previous question first. There was given x is equal to 4. What here? Whose x coordinate is 2. So means you have to find the slope at the point x is equal to whose x coordinate 2 means x is equal to 2. So y equal to x cube minus 1. So therefore dy by differentiation of x cube minus differentiation of x plus differentiation of 1. So 3x square minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 3x square. So slope x is equal to dy by dx at x is equal to 2. Here x is equal to 2 is given. So therefore this is equal to 3 into 2 square minus 1, 2 to the 4 to the 1 minus 1, this will be equal to 11. So therefore the slope of the tangent to the curve y equal to point is 11. Now the next question is, this is the different from these two questions. Question number 15. Question number 15. Find the equation of the tangent. find the equation of the question. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve y equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, which is parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9 equal to solution. Since we are given the slope of this line is parallel to this line, means if the two lines are parallel, then their gradients will be same. Okay, so y is equal to this x square minus 2x plus 7. So dy by dx is equal to 3x minus 2. This is the slope of the curve. But a straight line is given, line is equal to 0. Or we know that slope of this line is minus a upon b minus 2 upon minus 1 equal to 2. But you are given both the slope gradient. If the lines are like parallel, then the gradients will be same. Means dy by dx is equal to 2x minus 2 equal to 2. So 2x is equal to plus 4. Then x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2. Putting the values of x in y. Therefore, y is equal to 2 square minus 2 plus 7 is equal to 4 minus 4 plus 7 of y is equal to 7. So, we have to find the equation of tangent line. So, we have to find equation of tangent line. Therefore, we have to find the equation of tangent line passes to 7. So y minus y1 is equal to x minus x1. x1 means 2. This is x1, this is y1. But since both the grades slope are equal, therefore f is equal to 2. So y1 is equal to 2 into x minus 2. Then y minus 7 is equal to 2x minus 4. Then 2x minus 4 minus y plus 7 is equal to 0. Then 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. तो दिस इज योर सॉल्यूशन. तो ऐसा करके ये आपका पूरा बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट और बढ़िया एक्सरसाइज है. आप वीडियो को बार-बार देखें, बार-बार समझें और बार-बार सॉल्व करें. मेरे देखने में आ रहा है कि हमारे टर्म इंग्लिश मीडियम के बच्चे बहुत उनका इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, बिल्कुल ही गलत तरीका है. बेटा आपका पूरा आपके सिलेबस के साथ चलना है. आपका पूरा कोर्स, आपका बोर्ड एग्जाम है, सारे सब्जेक्ट को खूब मेहनत करो. ठीक है, किसी को कोई भी अगर डाउट है वो हमसे पूछ सकता है.